Okay, let's go. I'm so happy today. Today, I'm so freaking happy. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the latest ways to monetize your blog. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, because I'm going to go ahead and get back to you. And I'm going to start off with my favorite one, which is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is promoting other companies and products out there that are on the marketplace. And normally in their website, they have a button on below, which is partner with them or affiliates. And you can join their affiliate and you earn a commission by promoting their product, right? And so you can promote any kind of product that you want on your blog. But I really recommend you promote related products that are related to what your blog is all about. If your blog is about cameras, then you would have an affiliate product related to cameras, like how to film correctly, how to record, or how to edit videos. Very targeted for your blog. Now there's loads of products out there that you can promote as an affiliate. Just to give an example, ClickBank, JVZoo, Max Bounty, and other affiliate networks out there that have loads of products that you can go about it. ShareASale.com also. Another way to monetize your blog fast is having a paid membership plan. And that is that a user has to sign up and pay monthly to have access to a restricted area that you give them value related to your blog, related to a problem that you are solving to them. Now you may ask, but Fabio, I don't know how to do a membership site. I actually have a video showing you how to do here on my channel. I'll actually leave that link below. Another way to monetize your blog fast is doing sponsored posts and reviews as well from companies that will sponsor you to have them on your post that you do on your blog, right? So what you could do is contact companies that have a product that you think your audience would want, and you get in touch with them and you find out if they can sponsor you, if they want to sponsor you. And normally these companies, as you grow your blog, they'll get in touch with you. Another way to monetize your blog fast is selling physical products on your blog itself. If it's related to your blog, you can even sell through AliExpress, for example, which is a website where there's tons of products there that you can put it for sale on your website. And so what you do, you collect the money and then you ship the product to their house. And there's many programs out there that do this. I use Builderall for this. If you want to try Builderall for $1, I'll leave the link below as well. Another way to monetize your blog fast is selling ad space to people. Having a banners or a few banners on your blog, and you sell that to people on the internet itself. There's actually websites that will buy ad space on your website, and also you could sell it to your local area or someone that's interested in that niche that you are in, right? Or also you could utilize ad scenes from Google, which you place ads in there on your blog, and you get paid as people click on the ads. Another way to monetize your blog fast is to sell ebooks to your audience. An ebook is very easy to do nowadays. There's even PLRs that are done for you, ebooks that you can get, and you can change things a bit and put your name on it. Also, creating and selling your own online course. This is big. And by the way, if you don't know how to do this, I actually have a course that teaches you exactly this, how to create and sell an online course step by step. If you want to know how to do that, it's at fastsimpledone.com. And with your own course, because you have authority with your audience, it's much easier to sell. And by the way, you could also sell other people's courses, right? Because there's tons of courses out there that People have an affiliate system where they pay you for promoting their course, right? And even in ClickBank and other sites, they have courses there that you can go ahead and promote. Another way to monetize your blog fast is to offer coaching services to your motivated people on your blog. Coaching, like if you are good at something and you can coach your audience on that, you can offer that to your audience. And they're very likely to go ahead and buy it because you're already building that trust factor with them as they are current visitors of your blog. Another way to monetize your blog fast is actually starting a podcast. A podcast nowadays is really powerful because you can sell products in the podcast itself. You can recommend products. And having a blog, if you have a little bit of traction, and starting a podcast, it is something really good to do because you're getting even more people to listen to you and to follow you, and you're building that audience, that brand of yours. And the last way to monetize your blog, it's to accept donations. And that's okay. I mean, if you're doing a service to them, you're putting content, you're helping them out, that's fine if you have a place in your website where you accept donations from readers. Because if you're providing value, reciprocity, which is, when you give something to people, people feel like giving something back to you. So by accepting donations, few people will go ahead and give you a donation. And actually, if they really like what they see, they can actually give you a big donation. And there you have it. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like it, give it a thumbs down. Oh, and by the way, if you want to earn a full-time income, I will leave a link below in the description and in the comments so you can start earn those big fat commissions. And by the way, when you join, you're also getting my support, and I'm going to teach you how to get traffic and make sales. Alright, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I put videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you very much for watching and being part of my family here on YouTube. I'm really grateful for you being here. Thank you so much. You are freaking amazing. I freaking love you. Thank you. Don't forget how amazing you are. Always believe in yourself and know that you are limitless. You have unlimited power. You got this. I believe in you. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time.